tignan natin kung may makukuha siya. Hi everybody, my name is Anthony. This video will be featuring Earwax vacuum remover. So it is a small device, and let's see and determine after yung demonstration if it can really vacuum or suck the earwax out of our ears. Kaya naman, kung makikita natin dito, it is so cheap and it contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 na items sa loob ng container na ito. It is a small container and napaka-interesting because syempre, hindi na natin mano-mano na i-clear yung earwax natin. So, this is better than yung Q-tips. So, I'm going to show you kung ano yung Q-tips. Ito yung Q-tips or cotton buds. Kung ito yung gagamitin nyo kasi sa ears nyo, it will further push yung earwax sa loob ng ears nyo. So, if you're going to, ayan, kung ipapasok nyo, tapos i-roll nyo, feeling nyo, nakuha nyo na yung dirt. So, pag i-roll nyo siya, feeling nyo makukuha nyo yung dirt, but it's not. It will just further push yung earwax sa loob ng ears nyo. So, this is hindi safe because it can cause puncture your, basta ipapuncture niya yung ear drums mo. So, mabubutas siya, baka it will cause deafness. And now, this one is all about parang mas safe siya because instead of pushing this product inside, this one will parang isasak niya. So, from the ears to this product. So, may nahulog. And ganyan, this is the, papakita ko mamaya sa closer look niya, close-up look. And speaking of about the price, murang-mura talaga siya. So, nabili ko siya sa Lazada, meron din sa Shopee. So, the price of this product is 135 pesos. Yun yung baseline price ng product na ito. The product can be either higher. Yung price ng product can be either higher or lower depending sa seller. Meron talagang mas mataas. May umaabot pa na 200, 300. But, syempre, nakita ko to 135 ang mura. Super mura. Kaya, inaisipan kong bumili and let's try to operate these products para sa ating ears. And lagyan mo pa ng shipping fee. So, ang nabayaran ko total is 135 plus 50 pesos. So, 185 ang nabayaran ko total na amount. So, we are going to flip this camera para sa next clip to have a closer look ng wonderful product na ito. And then, back to demonstration. In here, ladies and gentlemen, we first read this one, itong description niya, Earwax vacuum mechanism. So, sabi dito is, this vacuum technology is especially made for dry and small particles of the waxes inside your ears. However, the product is designed with minimum power of a vacuum for the safety of our ears. Ayan, dahil sa pressure to protect our eardrums, ayan, yung mga middle ear natin, you will not be able to see inside the vacuum filter those small particles because it will immediately dispose it. The hole of its filter is big enough and will only store the big flakes. So, note, you can test it using powdered milk to check if the vacuum is working. O, diba? Ang dami, meron siyang parang warning. So, ayun. And we now open this product using our single hand and ganyan. So, closer look, it's like this. It has a battery. So, ito yung AAA battery. Tapos, yung sweeper niya. So, ayan yung sweeper. Ayan yung parang nozzle. So, this is the nozzle. Ayan, closer look ng ating nozzle. So, it contains two nozzles. So, ayan, plastic na nozzles. Tapos, ito yung main body containing the, ayan, yung vacuum. So, yung screen, nakikita mo yung screen, ayan yung screen niya. Tapos, dito mo ilalagay yung battery. So, in the next clip, we are going to insert the battery inside this one. I-assemble natin. And ito yung sweeper niya. So, brush. Yan yung brush. Tapos, ito yung battery. So, I'm so excited to use this product. And let's determine kung worth it ba ang 130 pesos or 135 pesos na Earwax Vacuum Remover na, ayan o. So, automated Earwax Vacuum Remover to remove earwax. Ayan. So, ganyan yung close niya. And, to transfer na tayo sa next clip. It is now time for the demonstration portion of this vlog. And now, we are about to assemble first this product before i-operate natin. Ayan. This is the parang direction, informative na mga details from the seller. So, I am very impressed how sellers makes an effort para naman mas maganda yung customer service. The quality of service will have a quality feedback sa kanilang service sa kanilang clients. So 5 stars para sa akin, para sa seller na ito. And it is about time to, so ayan, po-focus ko dyan. So ilalagay ko lang dito yung product. So isa-set aside natin itong cover. And here, tatanggalin natin yung, so natatanggal pala siya, no? Ayan. And here, tapos kukuha lang tayo ng nozzle, i-assemble natin here. So it is, tingnan natin kung, ayan guys, so dapat ito tsaka ito dapat mag-compatible para swak pag ilalagay mo siya. And then, hahanapin natin yung paglalagay ng battery. So, this one. And, hahanapin natin AAA siya. Tapos, tignan natin yung instruction. So, positive dyan, negative dito. This is the positive and negative siya. Kaya, i-try natin ipasok itong. Subukan natin kung gagana yung battery. Pero pag hindi gagana yung battery, so, let's change another battery. So, I'm going to check kung, ayan, so correct. Pero, lumabas yung kanyang, ayun yung wire. So, ayan, dapat ganyan. And then, it's time for us to, so, maririnig nyo talaga yung vibration niya. Ayan. So, tingnan natin dito kung nag-vibrate siya. Yeah, meron siyang air and it's about time to, ayan, if i-flip ko lang konti and tingnan natin kung may makukuha siya. And we are now about to suck the earwax from my ears. So, natutuwa ako, promise. Nakakiliti and hindi ko alam kung may nasak siya, but let's try to. Nakakakiliti kasi may vibration. Ayan. Tapos sa kabilang ears naman. Nakakatuwa, di ba? So, let's put it on. Tingnan natin kung may nakakakiliti sa loob kasi meron siyang vibration effect. Ayan. It's about time to remove yung nozzle. Tingnan natin kung meron siyang nakuhang air. So, konti lang yung nakuha niya. Ayan, it is. Tingnan natin. Ayan, meron siyang mga nakuhang earwax. So, ibig sabihin, nagva-vacuum talaga siya. So, ganyan. So, mag-vacuum pa tayo ng konti. para at least ipicture natin para sa thumbnail ng video na ito. So, ayan. So, additional. Ayan, nava-vacuum talaga niya. Kaya, I'm impressed. Para sa cheap product na ito. Natutuwa ako, promise. And isa pa. So, ipapasok lang natin. And tignan natin kung meron siyang ayan. Na-impress talaga ako. Once again, for the second time, ititignan natin kung marami siyang no-vacuum. So, as of the moment, maliit. Konti lang talaga siya. I'm not sure kung nakikita nyo dito. But, ayan. Tignan natin dito. Ayun. Ayan yung itsura ng earwax. Konti lang siya. Hindi ko alam kung konti sa inyo or marami. So, ganyan karami yung earwax. Medyo nagbabalat yung phone ko kasi yung kamay ko because gumamit ako ng dishwashing soap na panghugas ng kamay ko. Kaya nagiging ganito siya. Anyway, para sa akin, my verdict is somehow 8/10. Yeah, 8/10. I'm not sure kasi kung natanggal ba lahat. Clear naman siya. Marumi, nakuha niya yung mga maruming particles sa ears ko. Pero for now, it's 8/10. Parang hindi siya gaanong mahaba. So it's not talagang ganito sana para mapasok niya lahat. So para sa akin, it's bitin but still effective because marami siyang na-vacuum na particles. And I recommend this para mas safe kaysa sa cotton buds. So if you want more product reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channels and you can suggest other videos kung ano yung gusto nyo pang i-vlog ko and make a review. And just reach me out in my Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter, The Story of Anthony. So hanggang dito na lamang po guys. Thank you and have a wonderful day.